Blumenthal back here in the Bethesda office with Natural Transplants, and today we got AJ back with us. AJ was here about a year ago, a little over a year ago. We did the surgery on you. You were one of the rare guys that we actually were able to fill in the entire head, from the very front to the very back. That does not happen very often, but and we'll show the before videos to kind of do a before and after thing here. But AJ, catch us up on the last year. How was it for you, and how do you like it?
Yeah, no, I think the recovery at first, was going smoothly, and then I kind of had a lot of swelling.
Yeah,
so I was like kind of ballooned up for a while.
Yeah, Mike Tyson, eyes. Yeah.
For about probably a few days, not too long, maybe 3 or 4 days at most. And then obviously the first, probably second or third week back, was going to work with the hat on and stuff. So
yeah,
there was a little adjustment trying to wear a hat inside and everything, but not too bad. And then month and a half out, didn't even just come back to normal. Hair was kind of growing in almost to what it was before.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of scarring and kind of like almost like dry skin.
Scabbing,
like
scabbing. Yeah.
So
cool.
Yeah, that's about
awesome, man. Awesome. Well, I appreciate you doing this. What I'm gonna have you do, if you don't mind, I'm gonna just have you kind of look down a little bit and just hold that for 2 or 3 seconds. Awesome. And then look back up at me, and then pick a side, either right or left. Yeah. And then we're going to put on the before pictures next to it so you can kind of do the before and afters here. And then other side. Very nice. And then I'm going to swing around here and show the back. Oh, actually, look straight for me. Yeah, there you go. There we go. It's awesome. And then you got, more of that straight, thin hair. It's actually not thin, but straight, straightish hair. So you're the 30 to 40% is going to be more on the 40% side. And then here you can't see the scar at all. It's nice and tapered and faded. And this is the scar in the back. All right, there, a little line. So, we talked about potentially doing a second coat of paint to give it, more 60, going from 30 to 40 up to 60 to 80. Again, we talked, I don't think you need it. Some guys may need it. I think it would benefit you, but again, I don't think you need it. And that's something that, you can discuss and see how you do. But overall, man, I think it's a home run. I think it looks really, really good.
It was awesome.
Yeah, absolutely, man. I appreciate you doing this and sharing your story, and hopefully this helps somebody else out there. And,
it helped me. So
awesome, man. Well, welcome to the family. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Right. Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.